The electronic repair industry is booming, with revenues reaching an astonishing $21.1 billion in 2022. As competition grows fiercer, it becomes crucial to stand out in this fast-paced market. Luckily, Techy, with its 15-year legacy and Tim and Bill's combined 30 years of experience, they provide a great platform for success. With Techy's extensive experience in this market, we've amassed well over 200 franchise locations. Our corporate team and all of our franchise partners come together to help you thrive as a new franchise owner. Our comprehensive training covers everything from the bread and butter of the industry, electronic device repairs, using new methods such as social media to attract new clients, converting leads into sales, and maximizing profits through upselling techniques that are tried and true. In 2023, we're going all in on certified pre-owned devices, an incredible opportunity that has proven its worth. At Techy, we can help you source products, manage bulk purchases, and guide you on selling these devices fast. Techy's innovative addition, the Techy Cafe, has been a huge success, attracting more customers to our stores and generating additional revenue streams for our franchisees. We also have some groundbreaking news to reveal soon, but for now, let's focus on how Techy's vast network benefits you. Our extensive network empowers you to tap into our purchasing power, offering access to top quality products at more affordable prices. Techy is more than just a franchise. It's a supportive community of like-minded individuals passionate about the electronic repair industry.
If you're interested in converting your electronic repair store to a Techy, or you just want to join the industry, email Nicole at techycompany.com.